Well, it is Saturday at the Hot Rod Typewriter shop, and we got a package in today on a Saturday through the post office. Great, huh? Awesome. This one came from England, the UK. My first international package. Let's take a look at it and see what we got. I think I know what it is. Do you guys know what it is? What typewriters come from England? Let's see. The case looks nice. Didn't really come packed anything special. It was just in a double cardboard box with no foam or anything. So we'll see. Cross our fingers. Hopefully everything is right with the world. Flip. Small desktop. What is that? Ah, the BlueBird. What's that in there? Little envelope. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Maybe I can take this bra off one-handed. Pop this cover off. Ooh. Well, look at that. That is shiny. Probably could use a little polish. Okay, all right. Let's set you guys down here. That was a good feel. Let's see here. Side shot. Pull this baby out. Look at that case. Let's take a look at this case while we're here. Now that that case is beautiful too. Not a flaw. Flawless case. My first Torpedo with a case. I mean, it's technically not a Torpedo, it's a BlueBird, but it's a Torpedo. Guys, it's a Torpedo. It feels like a torpedo. It looks like a duck, so it's got to be a duck, right? So set you guys down again here and take a look. See? Can you see what I see? Needs a little clean. Let's see what we got here. Red and blue settings. First test. Oh, there's no clicks. I wonder if that is. There's no clicks on the detent, so we'll have to. Ah, there's just a switch. Easy enough. Let's see here. Oh, sticky. It is a Torpedo in Elite. I don't know if it's Congress Elite. It looks pretty Congressy to me. Ribbon's a little dry. Yeah. Pop this off and take a look underneath the hood. Beautiful cover, all original stuff. Let's take a look under here. Yeah, nice and clean. Just goofed around on the typing. Missed the space bar a couple times, but yeah, nice and shiny. Chrome is great. Bravo to eBay's international shipping program for getting this thing here super quickly, like quicker than it would take me to do domestic shipping. So yeah, that's always nice to see. So this one is a keeper. We will use this. Pound out some words on this thing. Very nice. It's got a little, that might just be a cleanup thing. Yeah, it just feels sticky. That's just tape residue. This thing is very nice. Oh, there's some, what's that? Oh, that's just water stains. That's just nothing crazy going on. Everything works. We'll give it a clean. We'll give it a use. We'll give it a home. Hot Rod Typewriter Company. Thank you guys.
Goodbye.